Hi everyone, I'm Bea and I'm here to teach you Italian in the most simple and effective way as possible. Today is our lesson number 8, and as promised we are going to talk about the verb to go in Italian. We are going to introduce some useful examples to talk about your weekly routine, and in the last part of the video I'm also going to tell you the prepositions that you need to use when we use the verb to go in Italian. First of all, the infinite form of the verb to go in Italian is andare. This verb is irregular and the conjugation of this verb is io vado, tu vai, egli va, noi andiamo, voi andate, essi vanno. Now, when we want to talk about an action that we do regularly, every Monday we go on the gym. We say on Monday I go to the gym. In Italian, we use the article and we say il lunedì. So, if you want to express the routine of the week, you have to say il lunedì. If you want to express an action that you do only once, meaning that, I don't know, the next Monday I will go to the gym, but it's just once, you will say lunedì and not il lunedì. So you can understand the difference. If you do something regularly, it's il lunedì. If you want to express an action that you do only one time, it's lunedì. Of course, you will do the same with all the days of the week. But remember that all the days of the week are masculine. So it will be il lunedì, il martedì, il mercoledì. But the exception is Sunday, which is domenica, and it's feminine. So it's la domenica. So let's introduce some examples. On Monday, I go to the gym. Il lunedì vado, I go, to the gym, in palestra. On Tuesday, I go to the museum. Il martedì vado al museo. On Wednesday, you go to the restaurant. Il mercoledì, tu or voi vai or andate al ristorante. On Thursday, I go to the swimming pool. Il giovedì vado in piscina. On Friday, we go to the pub. Il venerdì, noi andiamo al pub. On Saturday, she goes to the beach. Il sabato, lei va al mare. On Sunday, we go to the cinema. La domenica, noi andiamo al cinema. Now, let's talk about prepositions. With the verb to go, andare, we usually use two kinds of preposition. The first one is in plus the article, and the second one is a. To use preposition correctly is not easy, like in every language, I will say. So my suggestion is to learn them a bit, and so let's start. In is used for names of regions, continents, or countries. So it will be, for example, I go, io vado in Molise, io vado in Africa, io vado in Canada. It's also used with like geographical areas, I will say. For example, io vado in montagna, I go to the mountain. Then we have the preposition a. A is used for names of the cities. For example, I go to Paris, io vado a Parigi, io vado a Londra, tu vai a Madrid. Lastly, the preposition a is used with the cardinal directions. So, for example, io vado a sud, io vado a nord, io vado a est, io vado a ovest. The difficulty is with places in the city, because actually we use both the prepositions. So we say, for example, I go to the pharmacy, io vado in farmacia, but for the restaurant is io vado al ristorante. So I would suggest you to actually learn by heart all the singular cases, because actually there is no rule in general, and for example all the nouns that end with ia, caffetteria, macelleria is with in. But in general, you have to search noun per noun, I will say. As said, the use of preposition is not that easy, so I suggest you to learn a bit. Okay, guys, so for today was everything. In this video, I present you a very difficult verb actually, but it's so useful. Learn the conjugation and then try to improve the preposition, but for now, remember that a or in are used, and remember that is io vado, tu vai, and so on. In the next video, I will introduce you 10 super useful verbs in Italian that are super easy to conjugate because they are regular. So we will talk about the first group of verbs in Italian which are super regular, but some of them are very common. So for now, I would love to receive all your comments in the down below, and see you next week. Thank you so much, and a